Thutha wa gukorwo thirikari ikinyite makinya na ikahota kunyihia ugwatania wa murimu wa mukingo gatagati ka mwana na nyina nginyagia gicunji kia 7.3 harĩ igana mwaka wa 2023, makinya maya ni macokete na thutha kuona riu ugwatani uyu uri gicunji gia 9.3 harĩ igana mwaka-ini uyu wari kuringana na riboti iria erekereirio ni gikundi gia kuhurana na murimu wa mukingo kia NSDC. Thengia no onaguo gwatania gatagati ka mbeu njithi ni wonekete kuongerereka kuona ni maronana kimwiri matekwigitira.
In the year 2024 we lost 21,000, unfortunately, a reduction from the 110,000 2 decades ago, and also we had 19,991 new HIV infections.
Unmanaged HIV is a public health disaster. It leaves your body and gets to another body because HIV is a latent virus. Some of these conditions we are talking about, hypertension, diabetes, if you don't take medication, you feel the pain. HIV is a latent virus. You stop your treatment, you don't go to your facilities, you don't feel anything. But you continue to live your life.
Ona kuri uguo gikundi giki ni kihinyiriirie thirikari gukuruhania aria maramatha motungata ma murimu wa mukingo mubango-ini wa SHA niguo makamukagira urigiti na njira ya uhuthu.
Kenya cannot end AIDS in 2030 where young people are carrying disproportionate burden of new infection, and that merely battling HIV, they are facing many other things.
That's why we have to collectively come together as we approach World AIDS Day to agree that we are going to make sure that we avail commodities for prevention and we avail commodities for treatment in a predictable and a sustainable manner.
Maya mahanikite riri bururi wa Kenya uri mehaririria-ini makuririkana andu aria magumeirwo ni maruru ma murimu wa mukingo tariki 1 mweri turorete wa Dithemba.
We cannot continue having patients for TB, for HIV, for malaria, we have to look at the patient holistically. This human being is interacting with the health system, and that therefore means they need to get the comprehensive care that they desire, that they need in one place.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Getwo wa Mbui wa Njuguna.